Welcome to Cleveland, Evan. Happy to have you. I know you're happy to be here, aren't you?
Welcome to Cleveland, Mass.
Thank you.
Good to have you.
After that is the second
Welcome.
part. There's so much going on. I mean, have a little extra.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too, my man.
Thanks for taking the time.
Oh,
There you
thank you
go.
so much.
All right.
We have so many reasons to be optimistic about what we're starting on, and it's because of the team that these guys have put together. Now it's our responsibility in a couple weeks to start getting those guys on the field, but this is going to be fun, and we're so excited that